Hi, this is Dave for Expert Village. Today we're going to make some Cornish game hens with autumn fruits. Okay, now for the main ingredient, our Cornish hens with autumn fruits. This is the Cornish game hen. They come frozen. You'll usually see them like a brick in the freezer case, and you just thaw them out in your refrigerator. Probably take you a day or two, so think about that ahead of time. What you want to do is make sure you're over your sink or somewhere else, because these are going to have a lot of water in them from being frozen. So you can just tear right into the package, and as you can see, there's a lot of liquid. We'll just pull them right out of there. Then we can put them right on the cutting board. Now, as I said before, you can use shears. Most people don't have them at home, so I like just to use a knife. So you want to put the breast side up and just start right at the front of the bird like this. And you want to split it, so just go right through. And as you see, you have a split bird. This will be good when you're going to be serving a half a bird per person, which is what I like to do. These are pretty rich. Then if they're with the backbone, you want to take some of that off too, because there's a lot of small bones.